That's not a picture, that's a video. Say hi, Ellie.
Hi.
I guess I'm taking a video. Can't quite figure this thing out. Logie, say hi to Mama. You're gonna go sledding? Thought you were gonna make Frosty the Snowman first.
All right, Logie.
Come
with Daddy. Come with Daddy.
Sure.
Alright.
Ellie, get very fast. There's rocks on there. No, not yet.
Yeah, you might want to wait down there. Wait a minute, Logie. Let Ellie go first.
Go down?
Are you going to go too? You need my help? Okay, sit on down. Okay, ready? Hold on. Here, turn your butt, baby. Hold on here. Okay? Logan's coming. Or he's not moving at all. Watch out, Ellie. It's not moving, baby. Hold on! Wait. You okay?
I got him. Want to try again?
Yeah!
Let's
Oh,
go.
man! Almost going.
Okay. You want to go down again? Your turn. Okay. I'll leave it down there.
You guys can go together in that one.
Logan, come on! Come here, Logan.
You want to go with Ellie, babe?
Wait, does the littlest one go in the front?
Yes. Come sit in front of Ellie. Ellie, put your legs straight. Put them around Logie. That way you can stop it. If it's going too fast, you just put your feet up. You hold on to this? Okay, hold on. Wait, maybe you want to hold on one hand on here? Okay. Here we go.
Oh, Logan knows how to go on his belly, like on his belly and sliding down. Look at you.
Hi, sweetheart. Okay.